To be a part of converting my van and get on in and help support me, I am actually fundraising so that I can get a woodworking station and do custom wood burnt panels, and I'm thinking about doing something like this but on the inside of my van. Everybody who donates will have their initials or their name wood burnt on the back of the panel, so you'll be a part of the art forever. You can find that link just here or down below. I also have made t-shirts that are of my art, but I mean, those are just for me. I just made those so that I could wear them, but the link for that is also down below. I did just want to say that I'm really sorry about how inconsistent I have been uploading. I've not been very well lately and it's shown, but I just wanted to say thank you so much for always being there for me, even if I'm not here and I'm gone for a little while. Yeah. So thank you so much, and thank you to my new TikTok fans who have been enjoying my TikTok streams and liking my videos. So if you miss seeing my face, get a TikTok, turn on notifications for me, and you'll be able to see when I go live. And just one more little thing. Here is a sneak peek of something I'm currently working on. Okay, I will see you, I'm going to say next week, but it might not be. So I'm going to see you when I see you, and thank you so much. I love you. Bye.